Yeah, coming to Palawan, coming to El Nido in the raining season is kind of a gamble because you never know if it's gonna rain or shine, and it's pretty unpredictable. What? Some days it'll rain for days straight, but the days that you do get the sun, it is like the best day ever. So when the weather did finally clear up, we got to check out the town and check out some of the beaches nearby. It's like so perfect here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Amazing. It was the first time we've seen a sunset in Palawan since I've been there. Oh, carbonara.
Ate, pwede kayong pa-picture?
Everyone was talking about this hostel called the Outpost in El Nido. It was like an all-in-one place. It had everything there. It had the bar, had the kitchen, it had the view right outside. The ocean was literally right in front of the hostel. Like, the water came up right into the entrance. Right when you walk out, you just see ocean and islands just straight across. So it was an insane hostel, and it was so cool.
And then I would like to introduce my companion, especially my cousin William. Good morning, boy. The lover boy on the boat, my first cousin Francis. The magician on the boat, that's Chris. The artist, the singer, that's Mark. By the way guys, my name is Juan. I'm the real lady boy here on the boat. Careful boys, I wanna bite you later. Why are you looking at me?
One of the things this hostel is known for are their island tours. The staff there has it all together. They have their own boats. Right when we woke up, we saw the sun, and we already knew that we had to definitely do this tour. First impressions were just how blue this water was, and just how insanely gorgeous everything was here in El Nido. Just blue water and just towering mountains everywhere you look. Go to the cave. One of the stops was a cave that you swim in, and I haven't done anything like that yet. You look up and you're just surrounded by these limestone walls. See fishes, like little tiny fishes. You go in, little pool of water in this dark cave. It was crazy because you have to like swim through a little hole to get there.
Amazing.
Swim right through this little hole, and we're back out. One of the best parts of this tour was coming into Cadlau Lagoon, which was this huge lagoon that you can kayak in. And deep into the cove, there's this water, this color that I've never seen before in my life. Gatorade blue. It was so crazy. Water is so nice. What? Oh, it's like turquoise.
Here at another beach. What's up? Hey, all good.
Like a paradise right now. I cannot believe where I'm at.
Sand is like the smoothest sand I've ever felt. So crazy.
Let's get around the grass.
find the big one.
Come on, bro. Come on, let's fight.
I did not expect El Nido to be this nice. I had no idea coming in what to expect. And I think I just came at the perfect time. And for some reason the sun has just been following me around even in the raining season.
Let me know, guys. Let's go like this. You're gonna count from 1. Of course, you're gonna use your hands. For example, I thumb. Patay mo na, boy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Listen, yo.
Yeah. Let's say what's up.
Oh, yeah. I'm just gonna ask you, how are you guys today? Yes. Before you go down, I just want to say thank you to our captain, Captain Roy, for driving safely. And of course to our chef cook that cooked very well the food. Johan and Junior right at the back, Johan right in the front. So give a clap. Fun. And of course the special womanizer in the boat, Christopher right there. Yeah. Be careful to him. It's a magic mic, but he just wanna dance on the front of the guy.
What's up? We're here. We're going back. We just got done with the island tour. Going back to the hostel. Good day.
It's one of the best places to go to in the Philippines. So perfect.